everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we will be first going to grocery shopping to get the special ingredients for today's recipe, which will be really amazing for you. It's a traditional winter dessert known as carrot dessert, and we also call it in the mother tongue as Gajar Halwa. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you will be having some amazing recipe here with all the tips and tricks of grocery shopping. So let's head on for the grocery shopping, and I am going for fruit and vegetable shop where I came across all the amazing vegetables here. But today I'm not getting these tomatoes. Let me show you the vegetables here. Normally whenever I come here, it is always full, and this place is like having all the fresh fruits and vegetables here. You must be enjoying this because I personally enjoy shopping here, and this is my favorite shop as well. If you have seen my previous videos as well, you must have seen that I come across with this place a lot, and I shop all my fruits and vegetables from this shop actually. So but here we are for our recipe ingredient, and that is basically carrots. So we normally get the carrots which are not pre-packed because the carrots which are pre-packed are normally not in the fresh condition. Let me show you the unpacked ones. So the unpacked ones are always very fresh, and the pre-packed ones are basically the ones that are packed very old, and they are always have some dark discoloration inside in some of the carrots. So you're normally very not sure that if this pack has all the carrots fresh or not. So I normally prefer to buy the unpacked ones. In the unpacked ones, I always have the option to check each and every carrot before I purchase. So I always check if they have some dark spots coming on the carrots or not. If it has, then I don't buy that one. So this is how you can purchase the fresh carrots from the shop. I'm getting here almost 2 kgs of carrots. So then move on to the other ingredient of the recipe, and that is where we have to go to another grocery store. Whenever I have to buy nuts, I always prefer to buy the unpacked ones because the pre-packed ones are always pretty much expensive if I'm making just one recipe out of it, because these pre-packed ones are like of certain quantities, so you have to pay a certain amount, which is pretty much expensive for making just one recipe out of it. So for example, if you want to purchase these pistachios, this is like 140 grams for $8.40. That's pretty much expensive. But if I have to buy it for just one recipe, I'll prefer to go and get the bag and fill the bag with the unpacked ones and take as much nuts as I want for that particular recipe only. There's a huge variety of nuts to choose from, but here we are to get almonds and pistachios today. Even in the almonds, we have a lot of variety like roasted salted almonds, roasted unsalted almonds, and then we have natural almonds. But unless I want some roast taste or salty taste, I prefer to go for the natural ones, which would be pretty much easier for me to use it in any other recipe as well, or for my particular dessert as well today. So we take just 1 scoop of almonds, natural ones, and that would be pretty much enough for the recipe today. Now let's weigh the almonds and see how much does it cost for us. And say it just cost $1.14 for me. So that's pretty much very easy to buy whatever quantity I need, and it always comes to very cheap comparatively to buy a pre-packed almonds packet. So and now we'll be getting some cashews as well for the recipe, and again for the same recipe we'll be needing just 1 scoop of cashews. That would be more than enough for me today. So let's go home and make the special carrot dessert, which is Gajar Halwa. In a pot, add 2 kgs of finely grated carrots. I have used food processor to finely grate them, which makes it quick and pretty much easy to make this dessert, and it's pretty much quick as well. On a medium to low flame, start cooking the grated carrots while stirring throughout to avoid burning from the bottom. Keep cooking the carrots till the carrots release all its water and reduce in quantity. Then pour warm milk to cook the carrots for another 10 to 15 minutes till the carrots and milk completely combines and the liquid completely evaporates. Then add cardamom powder and 2 cups of sugar. I'm using 2 cups of sugar for 2 kgs of carrots, but you can adjust your sweetness as per your liking. You need to keep stirring and cooking on medium to low flame till all the liquid of sugar, milk and carrots evaporates. In the meanwhile, in a separate pan, add butter or ghee and roast the chopped almonds and cashews till it turns crunchy, and then remove it and set it aside. Once the liquid reduces in the carrots, add milk powder, which you can take of any brand as per your liking, and keep stirring to mix it completely. It will take time, but it is so worth the effort. Please comment below from which country are you watching my channel. So this carrot dessert is red in color, and normally the carrots are red, but since we get carrots in orange color, so I am adding red food color. But if you get red carrots in your country, then you can skip that, and it is totally optional. Then add the roasted chopped nuts with the ghee in the halwa, and now keep stirring till the nuts are mixed completely. Garnish it with crushed pistachios and chopped almonds and serve it warm as per your liking. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below if you have tried this recipe and how much you liked it. Don't forget to click on the like option and click on the bell icon.